Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and parents, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fatma and I am your teacher of Social Studies of class 7. Dear students, I hope you all are well and healthy with your family at home. All of you know that the present pandemic COVID-19. Because of this, I have started the lecture of Social Studies. So please take out your Social Studies book and get ready for lecture. Today our chapter is the early Muslims. So in this chapter we will discuss the Muslim history, Umayyad dynasty, Abbasid dynasty, the Crusades, important dynasties of the centuries. Muslim history. Here is the history and achievement of Muslim from 7th to 16th century in the Arab land. In the 7th century, the rightly guided came to an end with the death of fourth Caliphate of Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. During the Caliphate of Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, major development took place. Umayyad dynasty. The Umayyad dynasty came to power in 661. Under the supervision of Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan, he was the governor of Syria. He shifted the capital to Damascus, a city of historical importance. The Umayyad period is noted for expansion of Muslim territories. It expanded across North Africa, Europe and Asia. As Caliphate continued to expand, Muslim armies conquered Bukhara, Samarkand and Farghan. Under supervision of Muhammad bin Qasim, Arab invaded Sindh and captured land up to Muslim. Naval power. Constantinople was conquered by an Arab fleet, as were the island of Sicily and Rhodes. Victories at sea brought by Muawiyah the credit for building up Muslim naval power. Land power. On land, the Umayyad army conquered North Africa. His army crossed straits to Spain. The Arab conquered Spain and even invaded France. Capital city. Cordoba became the capital city. Cordoba becomes the center of attention because of the remarkable reform done by the rule. Important reform done in the field of education, science, medicine, arts, etc. Cordoba University was the best institution of its time. Abbasid dynasty. Abbasid defeated Umayyads and established their dynasty. Abbasid ruled from 751 to 870 AD. In 8th century, Abbasid found the city of Baghdad. Capital city. Baghdad is the capital of Iraq and second largest city in the Arab world. Located along the Tigris River, the city was found in 8th century and became the capital of Abbasid Caliphate. Famous ruler. Two of the most famous Abbasid rulers were Harun al-Rashid and his son Maimun. Reforms. In Islamic history, the Abbasid period is known as the Age of Wealth and Culture. Greek and Latin work were translated, medical schools were set up. Maimun established Baitul Hikmah, houses of wisdom. Most important contribution done by Arab was in the field of mathematics. Foundation of modern mathematics laid down. Also show tolerance to the follower of other faith. Abbasid dynasty came to end in 1258 with the fall of Baghdad. Come to the page 49, the Crusades. From the 11th to the 13th century, the Muslim world was invaded by European crusaders. These Christian fighters were called crusaders because the Latin word from the cross, a Christian symbol, is cruz. One of the important Muslim leaders of this period is Salahuddin al-Ayyubi 1174 to 93. Salahuddin, known to the West as Saladin, was of Kurdish origin. He ruled over Syria and Egypt and recaptured Jerusalem from the Crusader in 1188. His human treatment of the captive, his kindness and generosity were legendary. He even sent his doctor to treat his enemy Richard I of England when he fell ill. Salahuddin set up schools, colleges and hospitals. He is remembered as hero of his time. Salahuddin died in Damascus in 1193. This powerful ruler left behind no wealth, not even enough for his funeral. Effects of the Crusade and Muslim rule. The interaction between Muslim and Europeans on one hand and between Muslim and the Eastern countries on the other led to an extensive exchange of knowledge and ideas. The Muslim Arabs in particular learned eagerly from other civilizations. To develop their own knowledge, the Europeans learned from the Arab. Other important dynasties during this century were Fatimid, Seljuk, Ayyubid, Mamluk, Ottoman and Mongol. Fatimid dynasty. Its important features are came to power in 910 Abdullah al-Mahdi was the founder of this dynasty. Main city were Egypt, Syria, part of Eastern Arabia, Malta across North Africa to Morocco. Seljuk dynasty. Its important feature are came to power in 1037. Seljuk Beg was the founder of this dynasty. This empire was established by Tughril Beg. Main city were Turkey, modern Uzbekistan, Persian Gulf and Oman. Ayyubid dynasty. Its important feature are came to power in 1169. Nuruddin Zaki was the founder of this dynasty. Most famous ruler was Salahuddin al-Ayyubi. Main city was Syria. Now come to the page 51. Mamluk dynasty. Its important feature are came to power in 1250. This dynasty were mainly Turk and Mongol origin. Main city were Syria, Palestine and Egypt. Uthman dynasty. Its important feature are came to power in 1282. One of the longest ruling dynasty belonged to Turkish origin. Main ruler was Muhammad II. Other performers were Suleiman and Selim II. Main places was Constantinople. Mongol dynasty. Its important feature are came to power in 1206. Origin was Central Asia. Its well-known leader were Genghis Khan and Halku Khan. Mongol were originally nature worshipper. They showed tolerance toward other faith or religion. They converted to Islam in the 13th and 14th century. I just take out important point of this chapter so you can be easily understand. Dear student, subjective and objective notes has been provided. So you write these notes on social study need copies. Thanks all of you. May keep praying from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to keep us safe and all the people of the world from the present pandemic COVID-19. Allah Hafiz.